When you're ready and it's safe, drive on.
No, that's reverse. That's neutral. Sorry.
So to start the car, hold the brake.
How do you put drive on?
So good, we're off to a good start. That's it. But hold the brake. There you go. Cool. Alright, take your time, no rush, good luck. And stop for me, please. Stop for me, please. You could potentially have just failed your whole test just now.
Okay.
Do we know why?
Why?
Because we didn't do any effective observations at all. By looking into the blind spots.
Mirror, signal, and then manoeuvre.
No.
No, signal, no.
Observations, effective observations. They're called blind spot checks. Yeah, all-round check. Yeah, 6-point check. Okay, so every time that we're parked in a parking bay or parked on the road before we drive away, we must do those observations.
Sorry about that.
And slow down and stop for me here. Stop. Oh, okay, never mind. You just failed again.
I could have went, sorry. Sorry.
Gonna expose you here.
Sorry.
Do you identify as a bicycle?
No, sorry.
That's a strike. You should have said yes. Feelings are more important than facts.
That's a minor mistake, no, yeah?
Is it? Are you a bicycle?
No, it's a minor mistake.
It's 3 points on your license and a fine. That's what it is. And it's also a fail on the driving test. Are you for real?
Sorry.
No, you're not sorry. If you were sorry, you wouldn't have done it. Look at the little cheeky smile. I can see your reflection here as well. Yeah, it's beaming now. You feed off it, don't you? You love it.
Scott,
yes,
stop.
you do. You love it.
Corey, I'm scared here.
You're doing fantastic, actually. So just take it nice and slow like you're doing.
So yeah, I didn't know they would get to go as well. They shouldn't do that. Just in case someone is a little bit slower. And yeah, second lane or the first lane, which was best?
Always the first. If this is the first, always the first. Oh, hang on.
Can I not get in second, please? Get away from that.
I mean, you can. Yeah, you can overtake, but just be careful with the speed limit, I guess. Just sorry, you got to slow. You just went for a speed camera over the speed limit. So if we get a ticket,
it's my fault.
It's coming to you. I can't even take it because it's fraud. Because it must legally go to the driver. So I did try to warn you before you did it.
He probably did it just at that time. He probably paid attention to the cameras.
Now we're 10 miles an hour under the speed limit and we're slowing the traffic that wants to overtake down. So it's a so you jam the brake on.
Sorry.
So just stay on the left, yeah?
There you go. Sorry.
He's jamming his brakes. Did you hear that?
Sorry, I was testing the camera. I don't know exactly.
I think you're testing his brakes.
I'm scared. What am I doing?
Going straight. Follow the road ahead. When you're scared, you follow the road ahead.
Do I need a signal at any point now? I think I need a signal.
You might get a speeding ticket today, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, one by accident. I was doing 42, I think.
Take the exit, then go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
You put it on somebody else's license. It's illegal.
She just can't fool him,
They're not on the driving test, they're not on the driving.
And I get scared.
If you're scared, don't do it. Oh jeez Louise, we're in a very vulnerable spot now. That was risky.
It was a little bit risky, but I did it anyway because they were doing it, so I thought, oh, why don't I do it? Didn't really indicate.
So you're sure we can use the bus lane at this time though, yeah? Because you're in the bus lane at the moment. Remember, I don't know why you're stopping here.
I'm learning how to do the brake a little bit easier, but it's going to take some time.
Okay.
Where are we going?
Wherever's safest.
Sorry, didn't do that correctly. And I think I went too fast. Shit.
It was everywhere.
Shit. Check on the other side for me, please.
Oh, you're in on this side, you're over on that side.
Okay, so I didn't do very good, did I?
Just take your time, I don't know why you're rushing it so much. Can I just give you a quick...
Let me see how I do with a forward park, hold on. I think I'm going to do it absolutely perfect. Check outside for me.
Why is it beeping?
Because I'd open the door.
Yeah, and you're in drive.
I've got to put it on the brake. I just want to make sure.
Never
Doesn't matter.
serious.
You're supposed to teach me. Don't class as a mock. Teach me. All right, now reverse. Teach me again. Can we do reverse back?
Do me a favour. Just need to slow down a sec. It's just going 100 miles an hour. Stop, please. Put it in park and put the handbrake on. Take a deep breath, please. Now, I'd like to do a role play with you. Hello, hello. Imagine you're me and I'm you.
Yeah.
Okay, so you be me.
Yeah.
I'll be you.
Yep.
Teach me. Can I do a bay park quick? Can I do a bay park quick? Can I just, and I want to, what would you do?
You'll probably overreact. You'll probably get sensory issues.
Sensory issues, okay. So how do
You'll
we
probably
deal?
get sensory issues.
How do I deal with my fish shoes? Put them in the wash with some anti-bac. Or do we just take a deep breath and have a conversation like two adults?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Park.
Everything's safe. I keep you safe. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. I'm trying my best to just slow things down and just relax a little. That's all. Okay. All right. So how do you feel that went?
Perfect.